Let's work through an example of solving a multi-step equation. Solve x divided by 2 plus 1.2 equals negative 9.05. Subtract 3/4 x. First, combine like terms. X divided by 2 and negative 3/4 x are like terms. Since x divided by 2 and negative 3/4 x are on opposite sides of the equal sign, we must perform an inverse operation. 3/4 x is subtracted from the constant. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. Add 3/4 x to both sides of the equation. Negative 3/4 x plus 3/4 x equals 0. X divided by 2 can be rewritten as 2/4 x. Two-fourths x plus 3/4 x equals 5/4 x. Next, subtract 1.2 from both sides of the equation. 1.2 is added with the x term. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Subtract 1.2 is 0. Negative 9.05 subtract 1.2 equals negative 10.25. Last, divide 5/4 from both sides of the equation. Five-fourths x divided by 5/4 equals 1x. Negative 10.25 divided by 5/4 can be rewritten as negative 10.25 divided by 1.25. Negative 10.25 divided by 1.25 equals negative 8.2. The solution to the equation is x equals negative 8.2. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!